Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to share with you my new Kitchenaid stove. A month and a half ago my stove stopped working, it conked out, and I had no oven. So today it came, and I'm going to just show you what I received today. This is a picture of the way my kitchen looked when I first purchased the home. I had a black stove and the black microwave was above it, and if you notice, I didn't have a backsplash. So I've since then put a backsplash in and replaced the stove and the microwave. This is the old stove that came when I purchased my house, and behind it is the new white subway tile. The delivery men were nice enough to allow me to go behind and sweep before they put the new stove into this blank space. After a long wait, my stove was finally here and ready to be installed. The men worked and they cleaned everything up behind themselves. The stove is now in its new home, and it's time to clean and get all the fingerprints off. Thank you. Please comment and subscribe.